Hello everyone, today we're gonna make a 3 by 5 inch Krishna frame, and we are using these gypsies for in this 3 by 5 inch silicone mold. You can see the placement, and now we are mixing our resin with the gold foil, and half of the resin will be mixed in green color, green pearl pigment. We have used resin here is 3:1 art epoxy resin, and the quantity used is 60 resin and 20 hardener, total 80 grams of resin. And this is the bright gold foil. The one layer is done, and this is the second layer, in which first of all we'll be placing our metal sticker. This is Krishna cow sticker. Along with that we'll place peacock feather. To place the sticker you have to gently rub it and then peel off the tape slowly and steadily. So these are the peacock feathers, 2 peacock feathers, one each side. Same, we will place it, we'll stick it and then pull off the transparent sticker from the sticker. And after all these stickers are placed, again we'll calculate our resin, which is art epoxy resin 3:1. This is resin hardener. Mix it gently, smoothly till it gets clear, and after it gets clear you have to just pour it on the top of our sticker and the flowers. So this is made in 2 layers, and the second layer you fill it completely, and on the third day you have to remove it from the mold, scratch the sides to give it a smooth effect, smooth edges, and then you can place it on your lamp or 6-inch easel, whatever suits you, whatever look you want, and this can be placed there.